Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News. Tim Hortons, an iconic coffee brand established in 1964 in Canada, will enter India as part of an exclusive agreement with AG Café, a joint venture entity owned by Apparel Group, a global fashion and lifestyle retail conglomerate and gateway partners and emerging markets alternative investment manager. Popularly for its freshly prepared iconic beverages like smoothie and creamy French vanilla and its creamy blended frozen coffee, the Iced Capp, along with made-to-order food and baked goods offerings like the delicious bite-sized morsels of traditional donut called Timbits. Tim Hortons will open in New Delhi this year, quickly followed by Punjab and other parts of the country. With over 50 years of coffee expertise, the brand has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. India is one of the world's fastest growing market for specialty coffee retail chains. The growth can be attributed to the changing lifestyle of the young population, rising disposable income and a keenness to explore global experiences. With this launch, India will become the brand's fourth country in the Asia Pacific region and plans to open over 250 outlets over the next 5 years. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.